this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this Valentine's card with the Sweet Conversations bundle. All right, this is the Sweet Conversations bundle, which is part of the Sweet Talk Suite. Say that 10 times fast. And this is the card that I'm going to show you today. But first, I just wanted to show you a couple items from the suite. The first is this red faux linen ribbon, super pretty. And then we have these really cute treat boxes. These are the sweet little boxes, and you get 10, and they're super easy to put together. So I just wanted to show you real quick. You just fold on all the score lines. There's already adhesive attached to the box, and so you just take off the backing. I think I just tried to take off the whole thing, but just the backing. And then you can put the box together. So put the middle tabs inside and then fold this up and fold this over just like that, and do the same thing on the other side. And you have a cute little box. It reminds me of like a little conversation heart box. So cute. So let's decorate this real quick. It's super easy to create a cute box like this. So I just have cut some of the Sweet Talk DSP and some of the Highland Heather Designer Series paper, and you can just attach that right to the box to decorate it and make it look super, super cute. I think it would also be fun if you used one of the heart dies to cut a heart out of the middle. Let's see, move this over a tiny bit. Okay, yeah, that looks crooked. And I think this heart would look super cute if you cut that out. So you would put all your layers on and then cut that out of the middle. And let's add this layer. Super fun paper. And then I have some ribbon already cut out. Looks like it fell on the ground. That I'm just gonna wrap all the way around the box. And I'm just gonna start to tie. And then I'm going to fold this in half to just give me a little bit more help and thread this through the tag. That is part of the dies. And then we'll just tie this on. Nice and tight, and then I'm gonna do a little bow. So you got your two bunny ears, and then you tie them in a knot. Tuck one under the other, and then we'll just shorten this. There we go. A little bit more. All right, and then I'm just gonna trim off. That one's pretty good, but I need to make it shorter. And this one needs to go like that. Cute, cute, cute. So now I have already cut out a whole bunch of these hearts from the Designer Series paper. And I've also stamped some. So I'm gonna actually use the stamped ones. I like the You're Cute. And so I will put a dimensional on the heart. You're cute. And then just to hold it in place, I'm gonna put a dimensional on the tag too. And just kind of, I can do it this way. I think I'm gonna do it that way again. So there's our super cute little, sweet little treat box. So don't forget about those. And then I mentioned the paper. So here's the DSP, and it looks like I grabbed a heart with it. So like I said, the dies cut these hearts out. So there's the large one and the tall one. And then this little one. And then you have all kinds of fun designs. Purple, heart lollipops, candy, hearts, purple stripes, just super fun paper. And then you have the gingham embossing folder. Isn't that pretty? It looks cool on both sides. You could use either side. And here's a card that I made with the gingham embossing folder and some of the little cutouts that I cut out from the paper. And then I just used some shimmery white paper and did a watercolor wash on the background, and then cut out some of these cute little envelopes and hearts, and then added those as well. So super, super fun. The last fun item, if I can find where I buried it around here, are the iridescent rhinestones. Here they are. Super pretty and great on any project, not just Valentine cards. And then one product that I found that kind of matches the suite are the From My Heart faceted gems. They're in the annual catalog. So I'm gonna use those for this card right here because I thought they were perfect. Okay, so for this card, I started by creating a template using the Bouquet of Love dies. I used this heart die right here and just took a scrap piece of cardstock to create a template. And then I just have a piece of Whisper White. I'm sorry, Basic White. I'm so used to saying Whisper White still. Okay, so I'm just gonna line that up on the back. And then I'm gonna use some Blushing Bride adhesive and blending brush. I'm just gonna start off to the side over here. And then I'm just gonna color that all in. And then I'm gonna add like a darker area over here. Just make it a little two-toned, because when you stamp, it's a little bit two-toned. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to stamp the rest of those little hearts. So I'm gonna borrow scrap paper here, and I'm gonna start with the large heart, and I'm just gonna do like a couple of those, like one here, and then one over here. And then we'll do the tall heart. We'll just do one up here. And the little heart, super cute. We'll just do one right there. And then I have this row of hearts, and I'm just going to ink up the very first heart. So I'm just gonna do that right on the edge there and just add some of these little hearts. Uh-oh, I think I inked up both. So I'm just gonna wipe that off. That wet wipe is kind of dry. Kind of got all these linen threads on there. That's the bad thing about using wet wipes. Okay, we're gonna go to the sure thing, to the chamois. Look at all that stuff that the wet wipe left on my stamp. That's not good. Okay. So now just ink that one. I think I'm gonna do one over here. I'm gonna be different than my original. And then one right there. And so just, you know, put the hearts anywhere you want, randomly, and just kind of spread them out evenly and try to do like an odd number if you can. Hopefully this all works out to an odd number, we'll see. Okay, so that's all of the Blushing Bride. So now I'm gonna do Real Red. And I'm gonna start off again with the large heart over here. And I'm just gonna immediately clean off that red because it can stain, kind of stains a little bit. And then we'll do this one over here. Actually, I should have done it down here. Dang darn it. I'm gonna do another one down here. Down here. Okay. Because I kind of wanted to have more like variety. I didn't want to stamp this one right next to the other one. So I'll stamp it over here. Okay, so now we'll do a couple little ones. So we'll just do one like over here and down here. And we need some up here. Probably one down here. That seems kind of empty. And we need one up here somewhere, like right there. And then I think that should be good. That's good. Okay. Then I have this splatter stamp from the Daffodil stamp set. And I thought it would be fun to add some just little splatters. And I'm stamping off so that they're a little bit lighter. I'm just going to turn it around. Add a little bit more variety. Okay, that looks good. All right, and now I'm going to use the red marker, and I'm just going to color the U in this little saying here, because I only want that word. And make sure you're using your Stampin' Right markers and not your blend markers on your photopolymer stamps. The blends markers will stain your stamps even worse than the ink does, and you will not be able to get it off. So just a little warning. Okay, so now we're going to adhere this to our card base. Our crumb cake card base over here, minus the template. And then we're gonna add the love. I'm gonna add some love. So I've got the O, the V, the L, and the E. And I'm just gonna do a little bit of coloring. So I am going to color the edges of the foam with the blends markers. And what's nice is if I go over the paper, it just dries. Because I tried it with the regular markers and I just made a mess. It just looked like it was a mess. So you just do this all around your letters. So there's the card with the love on it. And you do get your fingers a little inky doing that, but still super fun. So the last thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some of these fun little sparkly faceted gems. I'm gonna do the big one and two little ones. And I was looking for my take your pick tool, yay. Okay, and the gummy just kind of helps you pick those up. Is my gummy hard? No, okay. So that one goes right there. Oop. And then get a little one right there. And where'd the other little one go that I saw? Wow, that's a tiny one. It's like a tiny baby one. Okay, I'll do that one. Super cute. So you can just let that dry and you have your special card for that special someone or that someone that needs a bit of extra love in their lives. So I'm doing a free card kit when you purchase this bundle. So we have 2 of these cards, 2 double slider cards, and 2 otter cards. Super, super cute. So go to my website, click on Shop Now, use the current host code, and purchase this bundle or place a $40 order and email me and let me know that you would like this Valentine card kit. Thanks so much for watching this video tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you also subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I post a new video. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.